Hello! In this video, you'll learn the ow sound. The letters O and U are vowels, and together they make the ow sound. So whenever you see O and U together in words, usually they make the ow sound. To remember the ow sound, I like to add a fun jolly phonics action to it. Let's look at this picture. There's a little child and his grandmother, and they're sewing. Uh-oh, the little child got hurt and he says, ow. So to remember the ow sound, put your fingers together and pretend that you're hurt and say, ow, ow, ow. Usually you do it with two hands, but today I'm only just going to use one hand. Let's practice reading the ow words, the ow sound in words. Out, 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 ow, ow, hour, ow, ow, sour, out, out, about, shh, out, shh, out, shout, out, out, mouse, mouse. In the word mouse, there's a special letter. It's called a magic or silent E. It's at the end of the word and it doesn't say its sound. House, 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 house and mouse rhymes, and they have the silent or magic E at the end of the words. This brings us to the end of another video. I hope you had fun because I did. I'll see you in the next video and I love you. Thank you so much for watching.